All right, let's look at the even problems for Teach Me How to Factor. Let's do those. Starting with number 2. 2 and 4, we had to find the GCF. Oh, apologize. Lost my screen there. Let's get that back real quick. There it is, popping up. All right, let's look at number 2 and 4. 2 and 4, I had to find the GCF. Number 2, what is the largest number that goes into 90, 27, and 18? Well, that would be a 9. Also want you to notice that there's an N in all three of those. So not only can I pull out a 9, but I can also pull out an N. So 9 times a negative 10 gets me a negative 90, and then N to the third. And then 9 times a negative 3 gets me 27, and then N times N gets me N squared. And then 9 times a negative 2 gets me negative 18, and I already have the N. So boom, there we go. Number 4, largest number I could put into number 4, going into 12, 60, and 18 would be 6. There's no variable on this one, so I can't pull out the variable as well. So 6 times 2, 6 times 10, b to the 5th, and 6 times 3, b to the 8th. Okay. Questions on 2 or 4? Yes, ma'am. Could you have used negative 9? Yeah, absolutely. Could have pulled out a negative 9n, and then you would have had 10n cubed plus 3n plus 2. That would be acceptable as well. Depends on what you're doing there. Sometimes you want to pull out the negative, sometimes you don't. Just depends on what it is you're doing. Good. Good point, Blessing. All right. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The rest of them looks like we're just going straight to factoring. Number 9, is there a leading coefficient? No. Is there a GCF? No. Splitting signs. Splitting signs, put an N in each. Signs are opposite. Factors of 12. 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4, which of those come together to get me a 4 with opposite signs. 2 and 4. The larger number gets a sign from the middle. This problem's not too bad if you study just a little. I said what? 2 and 6. I circled 2 and 6. Brain, hand, not connected. Sorry about that. Looking at number 8. Is there a GCF? No. Is there a leading coefficient? No. B in each. Signs are the same. Both positive. Factors of 20. 1 and 20. 2 and 10. 4 and 5. Which of those come together to get me a 12? 2 and 10. Does it matter which one goes where? Absolutely not. Number 10. That looks a little hinky. There's no constant there. Is there a GCF? Yes, there is. P plus 7. Number 12. Is there a GCF? No. Is there a leading coefficient? No. Split and signs. R, R. Same, positive. Factors of 90. 1 and 90. 2 and 45. 3 and 30. 4, no. 5 and 18. 6 and 15. 7, no. 8, no. 9 and 10. Which of those come together to give me 19? 9 and 10. Number 14. No GCF, no leading coefficient, splitting signs, B and B, same, positive. Factors of 42. 1 and 42, 2 and 21, 3 and 14. 4, no. 5, no. 6, yes. 6 and 7. Which of those come together to get me a 13? 6 and 7. Number 16, last one. Is there GCF? No. Is there leading coefficient? No. Splitting signs. Put a variable in each. Signs are same. Both negative. Factors of 60. 1 and 60. 2 and 30. 3 and 20. 4 and 15. 5 and 12. 6 and 10. 7, 8, 9. Okay, which one of those come together to give me a 16? 6 and 10. Cool? Questions, comments, concerns? How many people got them all right? Yes. How many missed one? 2? Not bad. I want you to turn to section 5.4. You're going to do numbers 14 through 24. 14 through 24 even.